If you're looking to organize your garage effectively, slat walls are an excellent solution. They allow you to maximize storage space by making use of your walls, making your tools and equipment easily accessible. Below are the top 5 slat walls you should consider for your garage, all sourced from Aliexpress. Number 1. PVC Slatwall Panel Garage Organization System. This PVC slatwall panel is an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their garage organization. Designed to withstand heavy tools and equipment, it's made from durable PVC material that provides long-lasting performance. The panel is weather-resistant, which makes it a good option if your garage experiences varying temperatures or humidity. The smooth, clean design fits well with almost any garage aesthetic, offering a sleek and professional appearance. With easy installation, this system can be customized to fit your unique garage layout. It's modular, which means you can install panels horizontally or vertically depending on your needs. It's also compatible with a wide range of hooks, shelves, and baskets, allowing you to store everything from small hand tools to large, bulky equipment. This slatwall system is also lightweight, making it easier to handle during installation without sacrificing durability. For those who prioritize versatility and ease of maintenance, the PVC slatwall panel is one of the best options available on Aliexpress. The material is easy to clean, and since it doesn't absorb moisture, it won't warp or crack over time. Key features: material, durable PVC construction, resistant to humidity and temperature fluctuations. Design, sleek and modern, blending with most garage styles. Installation, easy to install, modular system for horizontal or vertical mounting. Weight capacity, supports a wide range of tools and equipment. Customization, compatible with a variety of hooks, shelves, and baskets. Number 2. Heavy-duty metal slatwall for garage. For those in need of a robust solution for heavy-duty storage, the heavy-duty metal slatwall system is perfect. Built from high-grade steel, this slatwall is specifically designed to handle the most demanding garage environments. Whether you have power tools, automotive equipment, or even bicycles to store, this slatwall system can support them all without bending or warping. One of the main benefits of this metal slatwall is its enhanced weight capacity. Unlike PVC or plastic alternatives, this slatwall can hold much heavier items, which makes it perfect for garages where weightier tools are common. The steel is coated with a rust-resistant finish, ensuring that your slatwall will remain in top shape for years to come, even if exposed to moisture or corrosive elements in your garage. It's available in various lengths and heights, so you can fully customize it to your specific storage needs. If you're dealing with a large garage and have lots of gear to stow away, this slatwall will give you the strength and space you need. Key features: material, high-grade steel construction for maximum durability. Design, heavy-duty, rust-resistant finish for long-lasting use. Installation, requires professional installation but offers robust support. Weight capacity, superior weight capacity compared to PVC slatwalls. Customization, can be paired with various accessories like shelves, hooks, and baskets. Number 3. Wood Composite Slatwall Garage Organizer. If you prefer an eco-friendly option that also looks good, the wood composite slatwall might be the choice for you. Made from a combination of wood and resin, this slatwall system is not only functional, but also adds a natural aesthetic to your garage. The wood composite material is sturdy enough to hold heavy equipment while giving your garage a warm, homey feel. This slatwall is treated to resist moisture, so you won't have to worry about it absorbing water or warping in humid environments. It's also extremely customizable, allowing you to paint or stain the panels to match the color scheme of your garage. Whether you're looking for a rustic touch or a more polished look, this wood composite slat wall can be adapted to suit your preferences. While not as strong as metal, the wood composite material offers a balance between durability and aesthetics, making it a solid choice for home garages where style is just as important as function. Key features: material, wood resin composite, providing a balance between aesthetics and strength. Design, natural wood look, can be painted or stained for customization. Installation, fairly simple, but requires accurate alignment. Weight capacity, suitable for mid-range tools and equipment. Moisture resistance, treated for moisture resistance to avoid warping or cracking. Number for modular aluminum slat wall system for garages. For a sleek, industrial look, the modular aluminum slat wall system is hard to beat. Aluminum is lightweight, corrosion resistant, and highly durable, making it a premium choice for those who want both form and function in their garage. This system is ideal for those who want a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution that can handle a wide variety of storage needs. The modular design means you can expand your slat wall as your storage needs grow. This aluminum system is also incredibly easy to install, thanks to its lightweight design. Despite being light, it's tough enough to hold a wide array of garage tools, from lawn equipment to power tools. The corrosion resistance is a significant benefit for those who live in humid areas or have garages that are not fully insulated. What sets this slat wall apart is its modern, polished look that can enhance the overall appearance of your garage, making it both practical and visually appealing. Key features: material, lightweight and corrosion-resistant aluminum. Design, modern, industrial aesthetic that fits contemporary garage setups. Installation, extremely easy to install due to its lightweight nature. Weight capacity, strong enough to support most garage tools. Modular, expandable system that grows with your storage needs. Number 5 High-density polyethylene HDPE slat wall for garage. For those looking for a slat wall that can handle extreme conditions, the high-density polyethylene HDPE slat wall is an excellent option. HDPE is known for its high strength-to-density ratio, making it both lightweight and incredibly tough. This material is highly resistant to impacts, moisture, and even chemicals, so it's ideal for garages that double as workshops or industrial spaces. What makes HDPE slat walls particularly appealing is their ease of maintenance. Since they are made from a type of plastic, they can be wiped clean easily, and they don't require the same level of care as wood or metal systems. Additionally, they are UV resistant, which means that even if your garage gets a lot of sunlight, the slat wall will not fade or become brittle over time. The panels are flexible and come in various sizes, making it easy to adjust them to your garage layout. This slat wall system is perfect for those who need a heavy-duty, low-maintenance solution for organizing their garage. Key features: material, high-density polyethylene for extreme durability and strength. Design, resistant to impacts, moisture, chemicals, and UV light. Installation, simple installation process with easy-to-handle panels. Weight capacity, holds heavy equipment without warping or cracking. Maintenance, low maintenance, easy to clean and resistant to wear. Conclusion: when choosing the best slat wall system for your garage, consider the weight of your tools, the overall aesthetic you want to achieve, and the conditions in which your slat wall will be used. Each of these 5 products offers unique advantages, ensuring that you'll find the perfect match for your garage organization needs.